or something.
Ultimate combo for your chance to win a new 2013 F-150 with EcoBoost. There'll be a big boost in the fourth quarter.
10 more?
Okay. Saturday Night Football presented by Windows will return after this message and a word from our ABC station.
Oh, it does put your spoonful of sugar in here. It's all about increasing the carbon dioxide in your blood. That's why the sugar.
Does it say anything about a match?
No.
How advanced is the new Ford Fusion?
It's carbon monoxide in a match.
Is it working now?
It might have worked. Usually the layer for my. See, all the more.
It's a projected